Here's a Ford F-250. It was brought in today to do a basic alarm with pager. Here is the remote. You get roughly about 1,000 feet. There, the remote communicates if it's locked, unlocked on the diagram of the car. If a door is pried open, it will flash the door. If the vehicle is hit, it will let us know that it's been hit. Here is the basic remote. You get one pager, one basic remote, lock, unlock, pop trunk, and nothing on the last button. This is not a remote start. This is basic alarm, lock and unlock with the pager only. You cannot remote start. There is no remote start on this system. There, we open it up. There you can see that the door is flashing, and the remote will be beeping and flashing the LCD screen, letting you know that someone has opened up the door. We have all types of alarms available here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. Ford F-250, basic alarm with the pager. We'll see you guys on the next one.